Hello, it's me, Nurse Huckleberry, and today I have something new and domestic for you. Bart, you're gonna have to leave. My arms hurt. Step 1, remember how to use this. That's right. Today, I want to clean this couch. It's like severely overdue. We eat on this couch. We don't have a table, so we just sit at the coffee table and eat. It's had some unfortunate water dumped on it recently that makes it look way worse. Somehow so much worse than it was. I had loaned my neighbor my couch cleaner because the landlord's dog peed on their rug when doing a repair. And they finally gave it back. He's a flight attendant, so he's like literally always gone. But he finally gave it back. And so now I can do the couch. We gotta vacuum. We gotta do a little hair removal. I wonder why hair removal. And then we're gonna shampoo this bad boy. Bring some life back into it. Make it a little fresher for the rest of the summer. I'm gonna get all your stink off it, Bert. Step 1, hair removal. So we're gonna use this. So you just drag it along. Here's the thing. I'm not a big cleaner. Not that I'm like a dirty person, but like I'm not one of those people that gets joy from cleaning. I don't find a lot of joy in cleaning. And so I'll tend to let things get a little bit past where I would personally like for them to be because I just have no patience for it. I don't have the patience for it, but this is real. It's normal. And you know what? I do a big clean and then I feel okay for a while. Although I do kind of keep this thing on hand and I just kind of give the couch a rub down whenever it seems to need it. So it's not too bad. Well, Bert, are you helping? He's helping. He's like, you're taking my hairs. I think it's just easier to do this first and then vacuum, because if you vacuum and then you do this, you're gonna have to vacuum again. That's really not that bad. Especially, I mean, down here is worse, for sure. I do the top of the couch pretty frequently. I'm so close.
Okay.
There's so much hair. Bert. Okay. Hair done. I should have shown you the hairball, but I finished off camera and I forgot. It is time for the preliminary vacuum. I don't know what we're gonna find in here. I assume crumbs. I assume confetti, more hair, general lint and dust. Oh yeah, listen to that baby purr. Time to lift the cushions.
No.
Yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I don't remember the last time that under the cushions got vacuumed. I remember the last time the couch got vacuumed because it wasn't that long ago, like the outside, but I don't remember the last time that we actually took all the cushions off and did a vacuum in the couch. I don't know. Let's find out. It could be worse. I see a lot of goodies, including rhinestones from various burlesque projects. Bart, no. Oh, get the wand, the wand. Oh, yeah. Side B. Again, could be worse. Oh my God. 3, 4. How are there so many pens on this side specifically? 3 pens and a pencil. And a very cute sticker. Look at that. That's a cute sticker. Found treasure. A whisker. Only as clean as your equipment. Vacuumed indeed. All right, I think I might call that done.
But you're so cute. So what's your plan here?
Well, step 1, remember how to use this. Lock or unlock? To unlock. Just go down? Where does that flip to unlock lid?
In the manual.
And you put water and the cleaner in here.
Because you picked a more precarious spot.
It's fine. It's fine. Okay, I filled it to the water thing, and then I need to put 2 ounces of this.
I'm not helping you.
2 ounces of this. Oh, God. Why? Why would you do it like that? That's like 2 ounces.
You're dripping everywhere.
This is so routine. Oh, yeah, like that. Except I don't need it. Ew, there's stuff in it. Ugh. Okay. Well, I don't need to do that. We'll do that later. Oh, yeah. Okay, so you spray. Spray. And then you rub it in with a brush. Scrub. Enthusiastically. Scrub with enthusiasm. It loosens the dirt. Then we suck. And then, yeah, you basically just repeat until it starts coming up all clear. or white, no dirt in it. That's it. So I'm gonna keep doing that for a while. My arms hurt. It's not done, because I didn't do the back of the couch, but I think it's gonna be done for now. We'll let this sucker dry, and we'll see what it looks like in the morning. Maybe I'll do the back of the couch. Maybe.